Welcome back to the online maths class. Today I will explain you fraction and decimal. Already you learned fraction and decimals in class 6. But now we recall all of the types of fractions. There are different types of fraction. Proper fraction you know now. Proper fraction is what? If the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called the proper fraction. If numerator is smaller than denominator, here you see the 2 less than 5, this is the proper fraction. 3, numerator 3, denominator 9, 3 less than 9, therefore this is proper fraction. And improper fraction, opposite, that numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Numerator here 5 by 3, numerator is 5, denominator 3, 5 is greater than 3, that means what? Numerator is greater than denominator, so this is called improper fraction. Similarly 18 by 6, this is also called improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is what? Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Suppose here 2 by 3, 2 is a whole number, 2 by 3 is a fraction. All these are called mixed fraction. Similarly 5, 6 by 9 is called mixed fraction. Unit fraction. If numerator is 1, then this is called unit fraction. Example 1 by 9, 1 by 4, 1 by 18, etc. Only numerator is 1. This is called unit fraction. Next, like fraction. Like fraction means fraction having same denominator. Same denominator means 2 by 5, 8 by 5, 19 by 5. This group is called like fraction. Similarly, 8 by 18, 3 by 18, 5 by 18, these are also called like fraction because same denominator. Here same denominator 18, 18, 18. Here also same denominator 5, 5, 5. Therefore these are called like fraction. And if the denominator is difference, suppose 2 by 5, 6 by 9, 4 by 18, these are called unlike fraction. If difference denominator is called unlike fraction. Okay, now I will start the exercise 2.1. 2.1 exercise 2.1 question number 1 solve 2 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 there is first we do the 5 here, this 5, this one. Now 5 into 2, 10 minus 3. Answer will be 7 by 5. We convert also it now 7 by 5 we convert it in mixed fraction. How can we do the mixed fraction? 7 by 5, no? 7 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 7 by 5, 2. This 1 is come here, 2 is here, 5 is here. Denominator never change, you remember this. Quotient come here inside and remainder up, remainder become a numerator and denominator same. Next, 7 by 10, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. All are different denominator. We make it convert it into the like fraction. Then we get easily done it. How? You know now process of the convert to the like fraction. We find the LCM of this. 10, 5, 2. 2 5s are 10, 5 come down, 2 1s are 2. Again 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 come down. Therefore LCM equal to 2, LCM is 2 into 5 equal to 10. Now LCM 10, then we convert all this into like fraction. 7 by 10, 7 by 10 because 10 is 2 by 5. LCM 10, therefore all denominator are all become 10. 2 by 5, if we multiply 5 with 2, then we get 10. 2 is multiply here, therefore we multiply 2 here also. 2 2s are 4. 3 by 2, 2 into 5, 10. We multiplied by 5, therefore we multiplied by 5 with numerator also. Then we get 5 into 3 equal to 15. Now we adding this 7 by 10, 4 by 10, 15 by 10. All added because all are the like fraction and same denominator. Therefore this 10. 7 plus 4 plus 15. We get 26 by 10. Now 26 by 10 we convert into the least fraction. Least fraction means we cancelled by 2. 26 divided by 2 we get 13. 2 5s are 10. Now 13 by 5. Again we convert into the mixed fraction. Same process. 5 2s are 10. 3 come down. These 2 come in place and remainder is as numerator, denominator 5. Okay. Question number 6. 2 by 3, 3 1 by 2. These are mixed fraction. Therefore we convert it into the improper fraction. How? 3 denominator 3 3, but 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 8. 2 3s are 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. Here also different denominator, that means unlike fraction. So we make it a like fraction. First we take the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2, it is a 3 into 2s are 6. Therefore now we become the denominator are 6. 8 by 3, 8 by 3. If we multiply 3 with 2, then we get 6. Therefore we multiply 2 here also. 2 8s are 16. 7 by 2. 2 we multiplied by 3, we get 6. Therefore multiply here also. 7 by 3 equal to 21. Now we adding 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. Then we get 37 by 6. Now we convert it into the mixed fraction. Same process. 6